Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you, especially if you're in the content creation field. We're going to show you how to create up to 2,000 articles with a single click using BrainPod AI. That's right, one click. Before we begin, let's explore the drop-down document menu on BrainPod AI. Here, you'll find the bulk articles option. Let's click on that. On this page, we'll see the Create Bulk Articles button, so let's go ahead and click on that too. A template page appears, and here's where the magic happens. You can create up to 2,000 articles with just one click, and it's as simple as uploading your CSV file with your keywords. Remember, one keyword translates to one article. For today's demonstration, I have a CSV file with 10 sample keywords and saved it with my project name as its file name. Once you've uploaded your file, hit Continue. Did you know you can also post these articles directly to your WordPress site? All you need to do is check this box and select your connected WordPress site. Lastly, click Create Bulk Articles, and voila, you've done it. On this screen, you can see how many articles are being processed, how many are done, and the overall status of your bulk creation. Want to view your articles? Click on the View icon. Or if you want to export them, click on the Export File icon. There you have it. Creating bulk, SEO-optimized articles has never been this easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.